Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's 8 a.m. exactly. I've just arrived at the marina and I'm meeting up with Bartek from Polish Angler UK channel. I think I actually see him. Yeah, he's just arriving. We're gonna head out, try to catch some pike. Hopefully we're gonna catch some monsters for you today. The weather is not too bad. It's a bit windy, but the loch isn't that bad. Pike hasn't been as active lately, but it is picking up. It's much better than it was during the summer. The weed dropped down, so hopefully we're gonna catch something. And I'll be testing my new rod today, the one that I've done unboxing of, the rod and reel. I just got my braid today in the morning, so I'll be testing that as well, so stay tuned.
To jest spokój. Fajnie, nie? No, jest lusterko prawie. Naprawdę spokojnie. I zdziwiło mnie, że jest tak głęboko. Myślałem, że tu będzie płycizna. Spoko jest. Tak. Ja tu czekam, aż się zrobi ciepło, żeby sobie popływać, bo jest naprawdę czysto. Są. Znaczy niekoniecznie tutaj. GoPro akurat. Bateria w GoPro jest. No nawet. Mhm. Znowu na moją muchę. Ładny. Nawet, nie? Drugi rzut tutaj. W końcu.
Łeb tak, do siebie, tak. O, tak.
First fish of the day. We are absolutely soaked. The waves got really massive. And my bait caster got all tangled up. I've got bird nest, so I needed to switch to a spinning rod. But we've got a first pike today.